Hi everyone, this is the demo of our solution, ReviseCareAI. So we want to present it. So it's implemented using Microsoft Azure Fabric, using different tools such as Lakehouse, Spark, third-party API like Google Map, Azure OpenAI, etc. So I will briefly show you soon the details, but now I wanna invite Oleg to give us some details about business side.
So the goal of the ReviseCareAI is to eliminate the vicious cycle of miscare by transforming the overwhelming feedback that users leave in the Google Maps into usable insights that can be transformed into the action plans by the clinics, and these plans will increase the patient satisfaction of these clinics. Thanks, Iurii.
Thank you, Oleg. So let's overview high level the architecture of this solution. So everything without stars is implemented. So we have at the end we have visualization kind of reports. As a source of that reports is a Google API processed using Azure Fabric notebooks, stored in the Delta Lake format, and enriched using Azure OpenAI by such information as department, per review, or sentiment analysis per review, or pros cons of the hospital as a result of all the reviews per hospital. So that's the general overview. So being more specific, so let's take a look at the notebooks itself. So I'm gonna present 4 notebooks. 2 notebooks are for the report purposes, 1 for the processing data, 1 for the configuration. So the one reporting notebook is this is the actual code. Amazing part of that is that we can use OpenAI directly into the SQL query. So this is the complex SQL query, and we implemented the Spark UDF function to query the data. And as a result, we have a comprehensive report per hospital. Here we may select different hospital, for example, and overview different information. So it includes challenges, it includes strengths of the hospital, some particular details. Second visualization is more visual itself, actually. So it's, for example, analysis per ratings per department. I wanna say it again, was extracted using Gen AI technology, and different other metrics. Also, we have data processing notebook, which prepares all the data and stores it into the Delta table format using the Spark code. It looks like this. It's completely workable solution. Also, we have a configurator where we may specify the request, what we want to see, the radius, the type, and as a result, we see this. Also, we have the library with all those functions, which make our life in this solution much easier, and which makes this solution very scalable. So, for example, this is the main function which covers Azure OpenAI. It's also very flexible. It may be used for Azure OpenAI or just for OpenAI. Typical when we need to switch for the different tier, for example. Also, we implemented masking of data to hide some sensitive data. So the report you saw before, it was based on the real queries to the API, but all the data was masked. So with that being said, let's come back to the architecture. So this is the current architecture. The future of the solution may be, it's very scalable. It may help hospitals a lot. Oleg will tell us very soon about that, but what will be implemented soon. We may add additional providers. We may add more fancy visualization using Microsoft Power BI. We may add some different types of email notifications per reviews. integration with other existing systems, and may add some stuff like Azure Data Factory for automating this process, Key Vaults for storing sensitive information, and etc. With that being said, Oleg, could you please conclude and help us understand the business side of the solution?
Yeah, so ReviseCare translates various and numerous reviews provided by patients, relatives, and their caregivers into Google Maps into the language that can be understood by the clinics. It provides the capability for these clinics to evaluate their performance by department or by the sentiment of the review or by any other parameter that they want to choose and build an actionable patient plan that will improve their lives.
Thank you very much, Oleg. So to conclude the whole presentation, so we provided the link to the GitHub repository with all the code. It may be reproducible. You may see the README file with the detailed explanation. We tried, we implemented and were followed by all the policies from the Microsoft, from the OpenAI, from Google Map API. That's why we implemented the masking function. And we believe this solution may be very promising in the future. So with that being said, thank you for your attention to us and hope you had a great time. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.